Kalyanam Arogyam Bhala Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepajoti Namostute. Lighting of the lamp truly signifies the removal of null and void from our lives. And to do the honors, I'd like to invite our leaders on the stage. So with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Mr. Ajay Kumar, Ms. Saroja Nitala, Mr. Tota Chakravarti, Mr. Sridhar Reddy, Ms. Sonia Kutti, Ms. Anupa M, Ms. Divya Shrikari, and Mr. Hari Patel. And as our leaders walk up on the stage, closer to the ceremonial lamp, we all make a little prayer in our hearts, hoping for the success of this event.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada. Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepajyotir Namostute. Deepajyotir Namostute. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada.
And as our leaders light the lamp, may I request all of you to have a lovely round of applause, please. Thank you so much, leaders, for lighting the ceremonial lamp. May I request all of you to comfortably take your seats. And with that, I have one question for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me carefully. If the answer to this question is a yes, it better be a loud yes. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? All right then, lights, camera, and action! Everybody put your hands up in the air! Put your hands up in the air! Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is your evening, and I can't be the only one dancing right here. Can all of you stand up for me? That's the energy you have. That's all. Can you all make some noise together? Wow, look at you shining this evening. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what is the name of the song that won India the Oscars? Do you know the name of the song? Okay, now, we're going to have a momentous Natu moment with all of you. So I want you all to come closer to each other. Come on, everybody. Get closer. Now, if you know the step, you do the step. But if you don't know the step, you just shake your leg with the music, all right? Are you all ready to dance? All right, then come closer, DJ. Give me the beat, please.
Na pata sudu, na pata sudu, na pata sudu, na feel na.
Come on. So you want to shake your leg with the music. Oh my God. Great job, you guys. Now, is there anybody who can whistle right here, right now? Is there anybody here? Anybody there? Anybody behind? Fantastic, fantastic. Now remain standing, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to request all of you to quickly remove your mobile phones, everybody. Come on, let me see you all. Remove your mobile phones. And I want you all to turn on the flashlights, okay? Now, you all are only going to be the shining stars this evening. Yes, and as the music plays, ladies and gentlemen, the lights dim off, okay? The only lights that remain right now, yes, the only lights are the lights that you have in your hand. So keep your hands up in the air, everybody, as high as you can. As high as you can! Well, this is your moment, everybody. And now, I'm going to request all of you from all parts of the room to please stand up. Okay? And I want you all to get closer to me. Come on, everybody. I want you all to come closer. Get up. Come closer. Come on, quickly. From behind. So please come forward. Let's fill this entire area here. Okay? From behind. Now put your hands up in the air. Beautiful. I need to see your hands moving. Well, look at all of you. Ladies and gentlemen. Keep smiling at everybody around you. Fantastic energy right here. Okay, we go faster now. Come on.
I don't care if you wanna tear me apart.
As fast as you can.
I don't care if you do.
But right there, I need to see your hands going up.
'Cause in the sky full of stars.
Everybody. Now, I want to see all of you jump. And everybody, you gotta make all the noise you can. Well, what a moment this is. Quickly put your phones down, and I want you all to hold the hand of the person on your left and right, everybody, as tight as you can. Whoever's on your left, whoever's on your right, I want you to hold their hands, okay? Quickly, as tight as you can, bringing out the solidarity. Everybody hand in hand. Quickly, 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 yes. Now, when I say 3, 2, 1, listen to me carefully. When I say 3, 2, 1, hold the hand, come on. It's as simple as that. Hold the hand. Whoever's on your left, whoever's on your right. Yes, that's more like it. Can you stand up? Can all of you stand up? Can all of you stand up? Yes, we're going to bring in that energy this evening. So ladies and gentlemen, when I say 3, 2, 1, if you're all ready for the landslide of energy and the cloud burst of celebration, you've got to put your hands up in the air and give me the loudest cheer in the world. So ladies and gentlemen, at the count of 3, 2, 1, put your hands up! And can I see you jumping? Come on, everybody. With the music, hands up. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Fantastic. My God. This is the energy we talk about, everybody. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the biggest, the grandest, and the most awaited event of the year. This is Quest Global Fest 2026. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got billion reasons to celebrate. You can sit down now, okay? And I love the smiles on all your faces. Ma'am, your smile is better than Sai Pallavi's smile also. Superb smile, ma'am. Keep smiling just like that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this year is going to be a great year, I can already tell. But one thing that all of you also know is that we've clocked 1 billion in revenue. So we have a visual delight coming up on the screen for all of you. So now, all eyes on the screen, please.
West people make the world around us a better place. Your most trusted engineering partner, working smarter and working harder, makes the world a better